Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on dark mode on YouTube on PC. Alright, let's begin. First, open your Chrome browser and go to YouTube. If your YouTube is currently in light mode, here's how to switch it to dark mode. Start by right-clicking anywhere on your desktop and selecting Personalize from the menu. Once the settings open, click on Colors in the left sidebar. Scroll down and look for the option that says Choose your default app mode. Select Dark. This will apply the dark theme to all supported apps, including Chrome. Now, open Chrome again and go back to YouTube. You'll notice that YouTube is now displaying in dark mode. If that doesn't change YouTube specifically, you can enable dark mode directly from the YouTube website. So that's basically how you can turn on dark mode on YouTube on PC. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.